Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this strawberry, avocado, and cucumber salsa. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. We're going to make this easy strawberry, avocado, and cucumber salsa. It's perfect for summer, so it's just in time for your summer barbecues. So we're going to start with strawberries, and we need 1.5 cups of strawberries. So I'm going to just finish up. We've already chopped up most of our strawberries. So you want to dice them. So I like to cut the top off and then cut them into slices. And then the slices I cut into more slices. And then we cut into little dices. Slice and dice our strawberries. You want them to be pretty small dice so they, you can use it as a dip. We're going to do the same thing with our cucumber. We need about 1 cup of cucumber. So we're going to cut it into planks carefully. And then we're going to cut our planks into strips, and then our strips into a dice. And if you don't want a bunch of peel, you could just save these outside pieces for something else and just use the inside pieces. Okay, now I'm going to take my strawberries and I'm going to put them in this bowl along with 2 tablespoons of sweetener. And I'm going to stir this up so the strawberries can start to macerate. It's going to draw the juices out. Sweeten them up a little bit. I'm going to let that sit while I finish chopping up my avocado. I've got a pretty large avocado here. You could also use 2 small avocado. This one looks perfect. So we're going to do a quick dice of our avocado. So if this recipe, if it's something that you want to make ahead of time, I would wait until the last minute to put the avocado in. If it's something that you want to have leftovers, I would put the avocado in just a small portion and mix in with just the 1 portion of the dip. So you're not, once you put the avocado in there, the avocado is going to just turn brown after a while. But if you're taking this to a big party, then go ahead and put all of the avocado in it. Okay, so we've got our avocado diced up. We've also got 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. I'm also going to put just 1/4 teaspoon of salt in with my strawberries. So let's look at our strawberries. They are looking very good, nicely macerated. So we can finish this dip up. Okay, we're going to add our diced cucumber. It smells so fresh. I love the smell of cucumber. We're going to add our avocado. I'm just going to use a spoon to pop it out of the shell. This looks really pretty. So finally, we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of minced cilantro. And look at that. Okay, I've got a bowl. I'm going to put this in. Just have it piled up on top. How amazing does that look? So what I like to serve mine with to keep it pretty good and low carb friendly are just some keto crackers. So these keto seed crackers I found at Kroger. They're carrot seed crackers. They're made with flax and chia seed. These crackers are a really good size. You can see they're a really good size. And you can have, 1 serving is 10 crackers and it's only 80 calories. And they're very good hearty crackers. Look at that. That looks amazing. Let's try it. That is perfect. You could also add a jalapeno to this if you like a little spice, but honestly, I think this dip is freaking amazing. It's really like a flavor bomb in your mouth. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure you check out this recipe. It is so good. And thank you, I already said that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.